Hello everyone, how are today? I'm Joel and today we're going to I'll be showing you how to use Openshot video editor. And we are going to edit the few last videos that I haven't edited. I just edited in the Photos app and it wasn't a great experience. So let's do another test and see if we can make it better, and maybe I'll change the YouTube video into the new video. So first up, I'm going to upload some of my videos. So I'm going to edit my video about the Ubuntu part. So let's copy that. And what I love about Openshot is that it's free, open source, and maybe a little bit buggy, but if it's buggy I can prepare before I edit rather than just jump. So I have my intro, but there is some disadvantages for me because every time I move the videos into merging them, it will not be a great part. So right here you can just use that, and maybe you're confused, why is there lots of tracks? So this track is actually for like background music. So if I like upload some music, for example my intro song, and that is We Wish You Merry Christmas, and let's play it over this part. So you cannot hear what the music is saying or singing because I'm wearing headphones and you can't hear him, but it works. So if you want music over there, and then like over here like extra music over that, and you can totally do this because there's lots of track. And also if you upload the video and then you accidentally delete them in Openshot, and here you don't, but there's two ways to bring them back. That's undo button, and this project files, they store everything in here so you don't have to worry. And what I like about this, because I can edit like the worst part of my video, like I'm going to split it in here and enter my password. So like over here I can just split this, but it's not split, it's called slice. So keep both sides, and we have the video. So the music is cut too, because the music, once you put them in the track 4, like the down part, it will connect to the video. So if the video above it is sliced, the music will be sliced too, except when it's with another video it wouldn't slice. So we can just move it like over here, over there. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time on my next video.